some leaders, they might say friendship really doesn't belong at work. What's your response to that mindset?
Well, if you care about productivity, engagement, retention, mental health, collaboration, creativity, then friendship belongs at work. We do all of those things
Excuse
better.
me. Yes, 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 yes. And wait for it. Yes.
Yes, 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 exactly. I know we've long thought that friendship is kind of something that should be kept separate, but the research just doesn't bear that out. The research bears out over and over that the more connected we are, the more liked we feel, the more safe we feel at work, the more supported and seen we feel at work, the better work we do. I often equate it to like when we think about schools often having to feed their kids because the kids are coming to school hungry. And I often think the average school probably wishes they didn't have to feed everybody and that wasn't part of their job. And yet, if their job is to teach students and they know that their students can't learn on empty stomachs and that their students aren't coming in fed and full, then they can't do their job. And we've got over 61% of the workforce showing up at work lonely, which means that they're showing up hungry for connection and they are less likely to be able to do the job you want them to do if they don't get that connection met. And, I make the case that this is where we spend most of our time. And work is the number one place we make friends as an adult. So really, it's one of those things that is happening. We should be teaching for it, training for it, and talking about it so much more.
I think not only it's the place, it's probably the place where we make, not probably, it's the place where we most make friends as an adult. But there's relationships, couples and families are started at work as well.
Yeah.
And that's just a fact.